Hi guys, welcome back to my Joy's Toy Joy. And today I've got LOL Surprise Interactive Live Surprise. And guys, if you're wondering why I'm wearing a totally different outfit from different times, it's because it's rolled all day at school. Rolled all day. And I brew croissant. Now get me a golden ticket. So let's get started. So on the front of the packaging it says LOL Surprise Interactive Live Surprise. It says Mystery 3 Mystery 3 accessories. Ooh. Everyone's a pet. So this is I'm really plush fuzzy fan. That's fuzzy fan. This one. Talk to me, bunny hun. Aww. And the next one is Pet Me Hoops Dog. Is Pet Me Hoops Dog. Just twist the top and you'll find your pet. Ooh, I really want a Hoops Dog. She looks really cute. And it says 60 sounds. I respond to motion, sound and touch. Turn me upside down. Interact me, talk to me, pet me, feed me, rock me asleep, and turn me upside down. That is crazy. Wow guys, it's got a lot of things what it can do, so let's open it. Wow. She is so cute. Hang on, is this Hoops' pet? This is Hoops' pet. I want to open it, so I'm going to open it. Oh, oh, it's so cute. She wants to escape. Oh, it's eye shut. So there's a switch on button. Oh, tail waggles. So that's Hoops' pet. I can't leave our accessories in there. I'm going to open an accessory, a bottle, and we will try that in a minute when we turn it on. Oh, it's not squishy anymore. It's a hard bottle. You might be able to drink her. Oh, and here. A ball, so you can just pop that in the mouth. And she can fetch. The ball. Oh, I fell out. Pizza! She likes pizza. Aren't dogs meant to have dog food? Oh, it's really cute. So first we're going to have a look at the instructions so we know what to do. Ooh, so it says first on here. Ooh, so it says switch the on button. So I'm guessing this is as well. Oh yeah, got a speaking sound, so we're going to switch it on. So let's feed the baby. Oh, that is so cute. So now we're going to feed her pizza. Oh, she can go. Nanny, Nanny, she can be my other LOL pets. It can be their mum, and it can be talking to them and stuff. So now they're gonna play ball. Oh, stroke her. She's tired! This one don't want to go sleep. She going to sleep. I think she likes that, Nanny. Wait. Mwah. Really? Wow. She's just been talking to me like I'm a dog talker. Okay, you're thirsty. My pet Alfie's not going to be happy when he sees this toy. Because anything he sees, my toys won't move. He's out. He don't like it. Ready? I'm going to throw its ball, see if it can go get it. Ooh. Ready, doggy? You're going to go get it. Good boy, girl, I mean. You got your ball. Me too. Alright. I know it's tiring. Yeah. Alright then. So it wants to sit down and eat pizza. So I want to sit it down. Rude! Well, it's alright, you're not on the dinner table. You're on the summer toy joy table. Look guys, his cheeks blush. Oh. So guys, these are 4 cute pets to collect, and I'm going to tell you who they are. So we've got I'll give you a cuddle. Right. So we've got Bunny Hun. Okay, you can get it. So you can get Buddy Hun. You can get Bunny Hun. Hoops Dog. You can get Fuzzy Fan and Royal Kitty. Oh, they're really cute names. So guys, that's the end of the video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up comment down below. I love if you subscribe. Press the notification button and share with family and friends. Bye guys. Ruff ruff. Bye guys. Bye guys.